how to add multiple accounts on Threads and choose between them. So first of all, let's open up our Threads app. Okay, next step, what you're gonna do here, you're gonna just click on your profile avatar at the below, right, and it will direct you to your profile. Next step, you're gonna just click next to the Instagram icon, the two lines at the top, right, and here you will see your settings. Okay, and in the settings you're gonna see right here log out from your account. So we're gonna just click log out, and we're gonna confirm that we want to log out from Threads. And here you're gonna see the switch accounts, and you're gonna see right here, if we click on it, you will see 3 accounts. If you want to add 1 account or 2 accounts, you're gonna just go ahead and log in with another Instagram account, and you're gonna see right here it will direct you to Instagram icon, and you will add your username or email or mobile number that you used to have on your Instagram, and you're gonna add the password, and you're gonna see right here your account will be amongst all other accounts right here, and you're gonna just go ahead and choose between them without needing to add the password each time. So we're gonna just go ahead and choose like this account, and it will direct us to this account, and it will and all the information will be saved. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.